such an important part of a child's life. So is home. That's why we've clubbed the two and given you a home school. It's a school with your home attached.
St. Peter's International Residential School is one such school which provides international facilities at a very affordable fee structure. Nowadays we see there are so many parents, both the mother and father are working, they hardly have any time to spend with their kids, and the kids also, as soon as they come from school, they hardly have any time to play. Forget about play, there is no ground also which is available for the kids to play. I think for all such worried parents, St. Peter's International Residential School is the best place for your child to be in. Now in this school, apart from academic excellence, we give utmost importance to the personality development of the child, which is very much needed in the modern world. Now not only academic excellence, we make sure that every child participate in all the curricular and co-curricular activities. Instrumental music is mandatory for every child, and apart from that we have music, dance, karate, arts and crafts. There are coaches coming to train the kids in various sports like lawn tennis, swimming, cricket, basketball and what not. So the child gets equal time for both his academics and also equal time to also play, which is very much needed for the good health and well-being of the child. Before putting their child into a residential school, I think most of the parents are very worried how my child will be in the school. Will I be able to stay away? Will my child be able to speak to me? I think all your worries to be put at rest, because in this school we make sure that it is a home away from home, as the tagline goes. We give utmost love and care and all the affection needed for a child who is staying away from the parents. And we make sure that every day the child gets a chance to speak to their parents, and the parents can also come in a stipulated time every day and then meet their child. So in this way we make sure that the gap between the child and the parent is reduced when your child is in the residential school. So చాలా మంది భయపడుతుండొచ్చు, మీ రెసిడెన్షియల్ స్కూల్లో మా పిల్లవాడు ఎట్లుంటారని. సెయింట్ పీటర్స్ రెసిడెన్షియల్ స్కూల్లో మేము చాలా లవ్ అండ్ ఎఫెక్షన్ పిల్లలకి ఇస్తాము. సో సెయింట్ పీటర్స్ ఇంటర్నేషనల్ రెసిడెన్షియల్ స్కూల్లో మీ పిల్లల్ని జాయిన్ చేస్తే మీరు నాట్ ఓన్లీ అకాడమిక్ ఎక్సలెన్స్ బట్ పర్సనాలిటీ డెవలప్మెంట్ కూడా చాలా ఇంప్రూవ్ అవుతుంది మీ పిల్లలకి. సో మీ పిల్లలకి ఒక మంచి భవిష్యత్ ఇచ్చిన పేరెంట్స్ అవుతారు.
As you've just witnessed programs by these students, it reminds me of the way we grow. July 2011 was the time when we started this school. When we have such a various schools right from beginning. I think 1980 was the first school, then Chairman started it, and now around 7,000 to 8,000 students on the whole. I think engineering college and all these things, if you look at 10,000 students are there. And we try to see that maximum changes have come in all these students. The way they talk to us, the way we walk here, the way they interact with other students, the way they play and all this.
The joy of learning and home away from home are the two major things that happens at St. Peter's International Residential School, Kompally, Hyderabad, where your child gets noticed by the kind of knowledge that he attains and more presentable in the area of whatever the thing that is going to happen in his life. I believe St. Peter's International Residential School can deliver maximum to the students' potential.
St. Peter's International Residential School, Joy of Learning, Kompally, Hyderabad.